Good morning, everyone. My name is Tairu Wada, and you are welcome to Learning and Earning series with Tairu Boost IQ. Subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. My name is Tairu Wada, and you are welcome to Learning and Earning series with Tairu Boost IQ. Today, we are going to look at how to find the first term A and the common difference of arithmetic progression, which I call it AP. Find the first term and the common difference, D, of the following number. We have 4, 5, 11, 17, 23, and 29, and minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, 3, 4 whole number, 1 over 2, 6, 7 whole number, 1 over 2, and 9. Solution, we want to look at case 1. We say the first term is the first value, and the first value there is 5. That means our first term is equals to 5. Then the common difference. The common difference is equal to T2 minus T1 or T3 minus T2 or T4 minus T3, where our T2 is 11 and our T1 is 5 and our T3 is 17. Following this formula, we say T2 minus T1. Now we now say 11 minus 5 is 6, or T3 minus T2, 17 minus 11 is equals to 6. The common difference now is 6. So in arithmetic progression, we call it common difference, while in geometric progression, we call it common ratio. Now let's look at the second question, which is in a case where we have minus 4, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8. The first term A is minus 2, while the common difference D is equals to T2 minus T1 all over, or T3 minus T2, where T1 is minus 2. Look at the T1. And T2 is minus 4. And T3 is minus 6. The reason why I decided to bring this minus because anything that has to do with minus used to disturb students a lot. So now, following this from our T2 is minus 4, we are going to say minus 4 minus, because our T1 is already minus 2. Then minus times minus is going to give us plus. So we now have minus 4 plus 2 give us minus 2. Or T3 minus T2. And our T3 is minus 6, while our T2 is minus 4. So we now have minus 6. Minus times minus is plus. So minus 6 plus 4 is equals to minus 2. And what it means that you are owing somebody 6 naira, and you have 4 naira to pay at right now. So when you pay the 4 naira, you are still owing minus 2. Okay. Then the last one, which is the one in fractional form. When we have 3 and 4 whole number 1 over 2, 6, 7 whole number 1 over 2, and 9. Solution, the first term A is 3 because 3 is the first term. How do we find the common difference D? We say T2 minus T1 or T3 minus T2, where our T1 is 3, our T2 is 4 whole number 1 all over 2. So we have to convert it to fraction first because this is mixed fraction by saying 2 times 4 will give us 8. Then you add it to the 1 at the numerator. Then it will be 2 times 4 plus 1 will give us 9 all over 2. That means our T2 is 9 all over 2. While T3 is 6. So now following this formula, we see T2 minus T1. Now we now have 9 all over 2 because our T2 is 9 over 2 minus 3. So we now find the LCM of 3 and 1, which is LCM of 2 and 1, which is 2. This 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times 9 is 9. 2 divided by 1, there is 1 under this 3, 1. Then 2 times 3 is 6. 9 minus 3 will give us 3 over 2. And this is improper fraction. So how many times can 2 go into 3? It can go 1 time, remainder 1. So that means our common difference is 1 whole number 1 all over 2, or we use the third term minus the second term. And the third term is 6. That is 6 minus 9 all over 2. What is the LCM? LCM is 2. We now say 2 divided by 1 is 1. And 1 times 6 will give us 12 minus. Then 2 divided by 2 is 1. Then 1 times 9 is 9. 12 minus 9 will give us 3 over 2. So 3 divided by 2 is 1 all over 1 all over 2. So the common difference is 1 whole number 1 all over 2. This is how to find the first term and the common difference in arithmetic progression. Like we say, in this series, we are going to take it gradually. From here, we now solve arithmetic progression leading to simultaneous equation, or how to find the unknown value in what arithmetic what progression, and we also have how to find the sum of arithmetic progression and what and the rest. So we are going to take it gradually so that we'll be able to understand the concept of arithmetic progression. Please enable to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any time I post some mathematics solution like this. Thank you. Like, subscribe, and comment.